Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back with another video. And today in this video we are going to learn how to create a URL shortener website. Let's suppose if you want to create a website which have functionality like URL shortener, and you want to create some packages for URL shortener and want to sell your URL shortener business, or you have a domain in which you have to install the URL shortener and make your own business of URL shortening. So let me show you how you can create a URL shortener website like this. We have multiple functions in this with a QR code function and logo addition and everything on a single PHP script. So I'm going to show you how you can create a URL shortener, like as you can see here in this demo section, where if I put my website link here and click on shorten, I will see that the shorten link is created. This is the demo domain, that's why you are looking as a big shortener link. If you have a domain like bit.lay or any other, you can create some simpler URL with shortened skills, and you have a QR code here also. So as you can see here, we have a pricing section in this also with a lifetime, monthly and yearly plan, and you will see a lot of functions in this both plans which are different. So if you want to integrate some payment methods, you can also integrate. You have a login and get started function here also. So here as you can see in the Code Canyon, we have a price of $45 per this URL shortener. Just go to your cPanel. As you can see, I am on my cPanel and I am going to create a subdomain for it for demo purpose, and I'm going to show you how you can install each and everything step by step. So for this purpose, search here file manager. First we are going to create a subdomain. So as you can see here, we have a lot of domains. Click on domain, and now we have a lot of domains here. Just go back and click on subdomains. Where is this one is the subdomains. Just right here if you want to create a URL shortener. Just I'm going to write url.getintopocket.com. so this one is our domain for our URL shortener. As you can see here, it's created successfully, and we have a domain name here which is URL. So let me refresh it. Here is the url.getintopocket.com, and also we have a directory in the file manager of this place. So once we are going to the file manager, we will see here in the file manager section, let's find out the url.getintopocket.com. so this one is the folder of my subdomain. Let's delete this bin from here, and it's a complete directory. So after downloading this PHP script, you will get a zip here. Just extract all and wait for some seconds to extract the files. After that, click on here and you will see a man zip here. So this is the man PHP code. Just drag and drop here to upload. Click on upload and then upload this file here. It will take some time to upload as my internet speed is a little bit slower and don't want to show you what is my internet provider. This is a cheap internet service. Wait for some seconds. I'm going to skip this part for your time. So here the uploading process is completed, and as you can see here, we have 100% uploaded successfully. Now I'm going to reload it, and as you can see here, the man file is in our sub directly. So I'm going to close this one, and now I'm going to extract the man file here in the directory and it's extracted. Now what we are going to do is deleting the man file and skip the trash, click confirm, and now we have the app set up here. How we can customize it? As you can see, the subdomain link is url.getintopocket.com. In your case, if you are going to install on a domain, then enter the domain address in a new tab. As you can see here, I'm going to add url.getintopocket.com and click on enter. Now as you can see here, we have our installation guide here with a disable image magic. Just get it off. I don't like this. So everything is accessible and enabled. Now click on proceed, and now as you can see here, we are going to add a purchase code in this section. So as you can see here, once I click on it, the purchase code is already added. You don't need any purchase code for this. And my suggestion is that if you want to start this business, then you have to purchase a premium one. I will give you the link in this post, and click on proceed. So as you can see here, your purchase code has been successfully validated by nerd by JSDZ. What the fuck? So as you can see here, we are going to add database host, database name, username, database password, database prefixes. It's optional. So here is the security key and it's already added. So what we are going to do now, go back to your cPanel and let's see database, MySQL databases. Okay, and then here create a new database, like I'm going to create URL short. Okay, create a database, and now go back. Now as you can see, the database is created, and where is it? Okay, so I need to refresh it, and here is my database URL short. So I'm going to create a username also with the same name. So I'm going to copy the URL short from here and then paste it here. It's a username, and I'm going to add a password here and here also. And then I'm going to create a user. Go back, and now we have both created. I'm going to privilege the access in user. So where is my user? Let's see. Actually I have a lot of junks here. I'm going to add the user in database. Let's search the user from here, and it's URL short, and the username also URL short. Both I'm going to add. Then I'm going to select all privileges and click on make changes. So now the database is created successfully. I'm going back, and now what we are going to do is our database host is local. So I'm going to write localhost here, and then the database name, the username, the database name is complete name. So this is our database name, and the username is, I think the both are same, but let's copy the username from here. As you can see, both are here. Now I'm going to add the password and then click on proceed, and the database is successfully installed. Now I'm going to add an admin email, admin username, and then a password, and my site URL is also here. Click on proceed, and everything is successfully added. Now we are going to visit our website. Wow, the website is imported successfully. As you can see here, everything is here, but this text is hidden. We need to add this text from our admin panel. So let's see, where is the admin section? Okay, here is not the admin section. just click on login, and here I'm going to add the username and password, and let's click on login. And here is my dashboard. It's my admin dashboard. So I'm going to see, we have a lot of things here. It's a dashboard with the recent clicks and every detail for your website. It's a bio pages section. If we create a bio, we will see the Instagram login and everything. In QR code section, we have a lot of QR code options here. Click on QR code and then add your link, your QR code name. If you have any logo, a text, color, design, everything is here. So what is next? It's a SMS. If you want to add a QR code with a SMS or phone number, Wi-Fi, everything. So here we have vCard. It's a virtual card. Here is your link preview, and we have phone, file, WhatsApp, cryptocurrency, everything you can create with this QR code. For newly customers or visitors, as you can see here, I'm going to open it in incognito tab. So sorry, just copy it and open it in a new incognito tab to see what a new visitor will see here. So here he will paste the shortcode, and then the QR code will be generated. He can log in or get started by clicking on here and create an account. And then we have a lot of functions here with some packages. Let's see. What about the statistics? It's all 0 because it's a new website. My channel, you can create your channel here, your badge and everything. Links, once the visitors add links, it appears here, link archives. And expire links also, if you add a time period, the links will expire, the new visitor links. In campaigns also, we have a lot of things here. Custom splash, CTA overlay, I don't know about these. Tracking pixels, so you can add pixels. You need to add Google Analytics, Facebook and everything. And then we have man feature is a branded domain. So you have short links domain, some kind of ubit.lay and other, you can add your domains here. Okay, and then team, if you have a team, you can add your members here. Tools and integration, you can add Zapier integration here. Zapier is a applet. You can add WordPress integration. You can add a plugin, short links plugin also available on WordPress. Just click on download plugin and install it. Then you can add your short links plugin and integrate with your short links. Shortcut integration, if you have any shortcuts, and you can download it and add the API key to any website. So this one was the main thing. Let's see where is the, how can we add the description in the front page. Okay, so I'm going to close this due to screen recorder widget. And then we have any settings here. Okay, it's tools. So it's we have developer APIs also. You can integrate anything if you are a developer. And if you want to add more settings, click on admin panel and you will be redirected to the admin panel. Here you will see a lot of more details, and you can see your pages. If you have any pages, these will appear in the bio pages section. And you have membership plans also. You have payments also. You can add plans and users and domains from here. and frequency asked questions, affiliates, advertisement. If you have any Google AdSense, you can add your ads here with the links and everything, size. Okay, so I'm going to check the theme settings. We have dark blue and white skins here. So this one is a home man description. If you write something here and click on save settings, you will see it will appear in the home description here, as you can see, and you can change these descriptions also from here. Okay, this is the theme editor. And then we have languages here. You can add your own languages. Plugins, all plugins. You have a simple plugins of blogs here, and you can add your affiliate payments and links here. Tools, you can add your email templates and everything. All the things are good in this template. So what the main thing is, you have to add these cron jobs in your website. Okay, how you can add these cron jobs? Just click on here and search here cron, and then you will see cron job section. Just add your cron jobs here, like see, this one is a cron job. Copy it and then add 1 minute and then command here, then add the cron job from here. You will have to add these 2 cron jobs here. Okay, so this one is the tutorial for creating your own short links business. If you have any comments, you can ask me. I will give you the answer of all your comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.